What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I'm trying to get a whitelist spot for every one of them. But before we show you the project, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research. I also want to show you guys another free mint NFT project. Was launched just recently, and it's a very successful project with a very successful mint. This is just another proof that there is still money to be made even in this type of market, but looks like market is slowly picking back up and more successful mints are coming out. So the project that I was talking about, it's called L3E3 Worlds, and this is video game, and at the time of recording this video, this is already like multiple days after the mint. The floor price is still 1.88. So if we scroll down, as you can see, there's only a couple of them at that price. And then if we open up analytics, we're going to be able to see how high the floor price actually went up. And as you can see, floor price almost went up to 3 ETH. So when project was launched, it was actually on the 17th. The floor was 2.5, little over 2 ETH. And now it's kind of cooled off. So as you can see, still a lot of money to be made. You just have to put a lot of effort and try to find those right or early projects to get on them early to get a whitelist spot. So the first project that I want to show you, it's called Royal Whales, and it's a free mint. At the time of recording, they have 12,000 followers. If we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement, but again, most likely this is due to the pre-mint link. You have to like, retweet, and I don't know, maybe a comment or something like that. And they're actually collabing with a different NFT projects like this one with a Dark Echelon, and I'm sure they're collabing with other ones. So if you are part of the alpha groups, then you probably will have opportunity to get a whitelist spot from those groups, or maybe just follow them on Twitter and do the pre-mint link. And since the project's still at pretty early stage, most likely you'll have a chance to get a whitelist spot. Then the second project is called Kuraku NFT free mint, and also project early stage, almost 7,000 followers, have some memes, and they're also getting pretty good engagement. But again, most likely it's part of the requirement from either Twitter post, some kind of giveaway, or some kind of alpha group. But they're still getting pretty good engagement on their Twitter post for this type of market. So this is another one, free mint. I think it has a potential. And then the last project, Orac Trees, whitelist free mint. This is a very early project. So if you get on it, interact with their Twitter posts, most likely you'll have chance to get a whitelist spot. And I don't think it's going to be even hard because this project is at the very early stage. They only have 1 tweet so far. And this is pretty much it. So this is 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm currently watching, and all the projects that I show you in this video, I'm going to leave links in the description below. Thanks for watching.